Yeah, any question queries there for today to discuss, let me know. Parallelly, I have some of the DevOps mind map I have just go through. I think I will just give a little, more view. Maybe in my bookmark I have. Let me showcase. Okay, so that's the thing. I have set up more questions for the different tool set that we maybe ask in terms of this is the question that we have. For Jenkins interview, I have added the links. For Jira interview, I have added. Ansible, I have added. More set of question you will get it from here because they can the DevOps. Well, I got a very good website actually. This is the one we have. So they are also in a training institute, but they have set up lots of interview questions that will help you to blog section tool. I am just searching on internet, so I got a link from there. Have set of questions. I already mentioned more, but this one, yeah, this is the pipelines based and interview question setup. I am using this Notion. This is a software that I'm using. Is a Notion to create notes and share parts. Thing is the yeah, very. If you go for DevOps training and parts, we have pipeline monitoring mode. They have a good content of resources actually. If we talk about Vault, yeah. Oh, not the course. I didn't enroll for the course, but the blog content is very good. Like you can see, HashiCorp Vault we use to manage the identity and security part. So this is the source code they have written in the GitHub. How to use, how to manipulate, and that thing is there. As well as they have the interview set of questions. So these are the things that help you to grab more content in less time. So if you go with DevOps review, it's a good collection of actually get the idea like even Azure also like DevOps interview question part one. It's have on their own series is available. Not only in the DevOps, they have different like Postfix is there, Kafka, RabbitMQ, HProxy is there that we use. Then we have Cons, Envoy, Helm views, Kubernetes questions are available. Jenkins pipelines are available. Interview questions. Then we have Unit that also can go for more. Bitbucket is there that you can get it. Like these are Selendroid, Datadog is there. JMeter, JUnit questions are available. Like these are we get like interview question. DevOps, why we need, what is the full form, like yeah, I continue. Yeah, go with the Python will be easy. Python and JSON that will help us in the DevOps integration and also help us in the Ansible coding patterns. That's the full set. I think here this interview question. This is the full set of questions are available. System operation, some of the date link is also we give. I think I've added. I think not all the. If they have, I think they don't have provided the answer properly. Some of the question set they only have given in some of the part. Like these are the like 50 questions they have answers are available. In some of the blocks only the answer is not given, but maximum you will get all the answer. Okay, like define IP cluster, node port, advantages or disadvantages of Kubernetes, what is pod. So that's thing I will add the whole full stream here. Okay, so that will help you to get refreshment of one by one, that get you a little idea and start applying for this job. Yeah, that are the things we have to actually to do to get it. Okay, more option is this. I will provide the full website official link that you can check. I think Okay, so this is the set of some questions we have for the other DevOps tools in that particular part, that thing. Now I have one more website actually. Think let me check, because in that I have some of the trainer have explained very good at the terms of architecture design. But we have the interview list is available. This is a full set of Docker interview. These are the sets available. Part 1, 2, 3, AWS, Ansible, this Puppet interview, Kubernetes, all. You can see Jenkins, Git, Jenkins, Jira. Then you can go more. Like it's unlimited. Apache, some of the then Jenkins app is there. Terraform. This is the whole set is available. Or you can just search with this AWS, Ansible, Apache, Chef, DevOps, Docker, Git, Gradle, Jenkins, Jira, Kubernetes, Linux, Maven, microservice architecture. Then OpenShift is not required. Puppet, Python, Monarcho if you want to go a little bit in security. That's it. This off is another part, but that is different with DevOps. That's the all the thing is matter is to get time and do little bit, you know, hands on, maybe practical, or just go through the theory. I have one more. Let me search. This is available, but this is more actually for the Azure environment. So I think you got little bit difficulties in terms of Azure services. Correct. Yeah, some of the thing is very common, like deployment of Kubernetes and DevOps services are very common, but the deployment platform is changed from the AWS. That's the only thing. That if you go with the DevOps, I will provide you this resource also to get a little idea. Maybe if you want to go, it's your choice. But yeah, uh, just now stick with the AWS platform, because this is a totally practical step-by-step method is given, like managing Jenkins and all the within a diagram part. But this is for the Azure cloud actually. So that's the only problem. Version control on Azure, repo, everything is given step by step. So at least if you want to go through with the tool name, that is enough. That you can say that thing, because here everything is same. At the last point, the platform is changed from AWS to Azure. That thing, because I also work on Azure platform also. That's how I have this whole lab is available. So I will provide you as extra knowledge. If you want to go through, it's up to you. So I will just add as Azure DevOps. But the concept is same. Only the platform is changed. You get a little hands-on idea. That's what's my target is. Okay. I have more. Let me see. DevOps from production. Question is done. W. Okay, I will check more to provide you, because I have some more resources to work on it. Architect. So there you will get the three service, that is code pipeline to deploy, and get lots of particular architecture overview depending on the part of projects that we are doing. Like some are on the platform based and that thing. So here you will get these are all the architecture diagram, like how to launch metrics for fashion brand. This is for the fashion brand integration. Then we have governance related integration. Then we have something Reliance. It's a part of the storage and services. So you will get different case studies with the different architecture diagram. You can see, you can open any case study. Let's me go this with EC2. Then if you go with automation, the one, then we can go with multi-region disaster recovery is there. Then a financial institute integrating with DevOps code pipeline. I think we have, and this is cloud. If you go with more older, you can build a pipeline with healthcare industry. Every case study with the step-by-step method. This is the architecture diagram. There, this is the area we are integrating pipeline with the, version control and AWS code build. Okay, that is the one where we are integrating DevOps. Here, I think we are deploying with the Lambda API, automate the DevOps. So this is how it look like. I open in a tab, just take me. This is how it look like. So in AWS, we have VPC. This is the one virtual private cloud, and there we have, you can see this is the whole environment, but it is a little bit difficult to understand. We have one user. So there we are doing three stuff: code commit, code build, and deploy. So the resource will be the production part. Okay. Now we here the developer have written some application maybe in JavaScript and some YAML file. Then that will be stored in the S3 storage, just like a GitHub repository. So instead of going GitHub, it is like purely on cloud platform. Okay. So there we store it, and the encryption you can see we have IMS and AMS is available for an encryption key. Then after deploying, then we release for the product part. That will be go to the end part, but in the background we are also using CloudWatch to monitor the full life cycle for the pipeline of the this whole environment, and cloud formation we do. So this is kind of an architecture we have. It's totally on cloud platform. Okay, this AMS is vault. There we can store all the user credentials, password, and private keys of AWS account. So whatever the account you will create, whatever the password you set, everything is stored on KMS service. That is encrypted data. So there this thing use. It's a kind of vault. You can say we have bank vaults are available to store some jewelries and some money in the bank account as a secure approach. Same kind of thing. So there you will get different kind of case studies and this kind of architecture diagram. That what actually you have learned. Now how you can implement for the high level of design. That is important, correct? So this thing you can just read out it to get a interview preparation and that part, like a code pipeline. By using code pipeline, how the things integrate into different region, US East, US West. So that's how the whole case study is given. That will help you to prepare your mindset, like what actually we do in industry, what kind of issues comes that we able to solve with the help of DevOps tools integration with that part. So that is available by default in the official site, all the different diagrams. Even if you remember the diagram, you can get an idea about what kind of service we have to use at what place. Okay. Of course, we don't have that much time to do all the practical step by step, but at least you get architecture design that will help you to get interview questions maybe 10. Okay. So all is matter that you have to take some time out from your day-to-day life and just go through with the interview questions and this case study. You will get main thing is that as an experience, if I am showing, so there will be no problem solving questions they will ask. Okay, just like before you, I am taking one more candidate to prepare. So I will showcase. They're here. So she got this experience kind of job description. I open. This is how it look like. You can able to see. It's a solution architect profile they are doing. So she will go for the solution architect job profile interview on Monday. So this is the job description they have given. Like the person have showcase in her resume 5 years of experience in AWS and DevOps part. So this is the call she gated for the interview. So this is the job description she has shared with me. I'm giving the guidance. Like of course you can see it's a very high part work on, like 3 years of design, implementation, and consultant experience. So this is more on the service. How you can give the assurance that this problem will be solved by this AWS service, like that kind of thing. So it's an architect plus the visual implementation. Okay, that thing. 8 years of experience is more because it's a long journey. 8 years in which you can see any domain. It is showing that software development, cloud computing, system engineer, or infrastructure engineer. So this is not possible for a specific single person to work on all the industry. At the same time, it's just one part, like it is given that within a specific technology. So maybe I am coming from the cloud computing. I can tell that yeah, in the past I am working in this. Then we have discussed about the virtualization technology. Remember, so they are looking for 7 year plus managing experience, like how the hypervisor is managed, how VMware software is managed. It's a small thing, but only then experience. Experience is why, because how we can tackle the troubleshooting part and consultant part. Because at after 5 year of experience, we are not working on one project. Okay, at that time we are coming in the technical plus management part of our role. So there we are doing some project handling. There we are doing consultant or management things. Okay, so as a fresher, people are more into the technical part and do work. But after getting experience, they will move to team handling, management, governance, consultancy, that kind of work too. So you can see the job description is also something like that they are looking for. You can see 7 year of experience in Linux and Windows. This is not possible. You can see some of the things like a joke, like 3 plus 8 plus 7, 7. It's like this much experience. It's a high level experience, more than 30 years. I think so. Almost. Okay, so that's not possible for a one person. But yeah, in a DevOps part, we are a full stack, like everything we do of every field of area. So here you can see it is showing for 5 year of experience in compute, storage, and networking infrastructure. So this will be more on infra part of AWS and networking. That is, VPC, VMnet, VPN connection, site-to-site VPN connection, how we are setting the access control list, firewall. This kind of questions maybe they can ask from the networking perspective and storage part. Then it asking a little bit about the Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD pipeline, in which you can tell about the Jenkins, Jira integration, automation. You can go with Ansible, application monitoring and metrics. You can go with some of the logging monitoring. Prometheus is there, Grafana is there. Okay, that thing. And 3 year of experience in cloud migration. So this is more on for the cloud architect part, like architect persons follow the migration part, like from on-premise to the cloud platform migration, from one cloud to another cloud, migration of data or whole infrastructure. That thing it asking. Now this is the one. And the second, same thing is like experience, what kind of qualification it is looking like, master degree, experience with business development, that thing. So yeah, this kind of things you can also apply. You will get also chance to prepare for the interview, and then we can get a job. That's the main motive. So that are the things they can ask as a DevOps engineer. So this is for the experienced person, but maybe for a fresher they will not expect that much. At least the overview, just upper layer of information is enough for that particular. So that will help you. Okay. So yeah, any question till here? Let me know. It's a huge thing is there. We have to cover lots of things. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I am there. Mhm, mhm. No, no, no. This is the job description that I show. It is for the solution architect, AWS solution architect. So you can see that cloud is there, but we have integrated with some of the automation tools because it's a part of DevOps. That's I showcase here. Just an example, actually. That's it. That's the So don't worry about it. Programming language. You can see you have already have taken the training part as a basics of DevOps. So there, when we are looking why programming is needed, because the infrastructure as a code that we build, this will be always be custom files that we have to build. Let me write on the note. Increase the font here, because see, every architecture, the life cycle is already set up in any company. Whenever you go get a job, getting the job in any company, you will get the life cycle of DevOps is already set up. What the thing we have to do as custom from scratch, it's a building Terraform code or automation file of Ansible, this thing. So they're looking for something coding skill you have or not. That is the main priority, because this thing we write in the YAML or maybe the JSON or the commit, that things we have the Git and Linux command or not, because these are the infra part related part. Infra is remotely handled. So remotely, if you are handling, we don't get the GUI access always. Even if you are, working on cloud, so very less time that you will get the AWS console. Maximum you will get AWS CLI version. That is, command line interface to run this kind of scripts. These are the custom scripts that we have to build. So that's why they are not looking for some programming language knowledge you have or not. Even a basic is enough because these are the very simple language we have to follow. Okay, instead of in the programming we have to build function, we have to build logic, we have to build some techniques, loops, lots of things is there. But in this kind of thing, just we define the name and the value. That's it. So this is we require because DevOps is directly if you say it's integrating one thing that we call as a automation. Correct? That's why they look for some basic at least one language if you have knowledge. That's how the things they will go. Okay, so it's like multiple things are there, but yeah, this is the things that we have to go through. So I will provide the more resources about this all these steps that you can go through, and I will checking one more website. I don't remember it. Like on that website, they have created some of the very good architecture design, but will not get the WhatsApp also. Okay, so this thing I will sending you to learn to update. And tomorrow I will take a one short mock interview, whatever you have learned, whatever the things. Or maybe if you have any job description, you can send me on the WhatsApp. So I will take question from that job description as a reference part. Or I will take some online job description and then I will ask some questions and queries. So whatever the things you can know, you can just give the a real answer. And later, what are the things you don't recall? So according to that, you have to work on that particular topic. Okay, that's the thing. Yeah, you can send me. So I will prepare some of the scenario based question from that job description because the direct questions I already provided, like what is DevOps, what is the pipeline, like these are the direct questions. But as an experienced person, they will just twist some questions as per the case study or some case scenario they will give. So that will be the important part, that how we are tackling that question, because all thing is depends on that particular part. Correct? That is the thing. Yeah, you can provide. I will check one more resource. Not getting the idea. Okay, I will check that one more resource I have. But I will provide you some other more architecture design. Work on, I think, in this laptop. I will check on the second laptop and provide you four more DevOps mind map of the architecture designs to other case studies. Like we have, I think, you will get from the one Atlassian. This is the one tool that we use in my company to automate and provide the task and that thing. This is for the beginner part. I already have. This is also good. Okay, just check with this one. Step by step is given here also. Okay, to learn and that thing. Some of the more blockage. I started free. And this is the beginner guide for DevOps pipeline, how to integrate and what are the things, step we have to follow, like environment, build server, set up automation tools to pipeline that thing. And I think this is the open source. A brief idea about the DevOps, all the tools. Just remember one tool at a one process. So it will be easy to grab the information as a first time. This is the whole steps are given. Pipelines and that changes is given. I think don't go with this particular part. Confused. Let me close. This is a good one, but it's for Azure. Want to go through? It's up to you, but I will not recommend because the file and YAML file is also a little bit confused. You got confused on the Azure and AWS. Of course, they are the similar platform, but the service name is different. So if you go through and learn, little bit confusion will be there. Okay, I will add here some more link. One more website is there. If you want to go a little bit on security part to learn, then you can just follow with. Okay, so here you will get the project's idea. First thing, this is the one, but it's a part of DevOps plus security. Okay, so how to integrate SSL, how to integrate forecast, radar system, radiance, everything with the source code is given. Okay, so that will help if you want to go through. Like, yes, you. This is the all the files model that thing is given, but it is more on a DevOps plus security. So if interested, not a issues there because many things are available to learn. Yeah, like it's like unlimited. I have resources. Only the thing is that you have to go through with one by one. These are the all GitHub projects, and if you go for bootcamp, I think this is a bootcamp. But it's like DevSecOps, like it's for the starting of DevSec, like what we do with development plus these other things I do on a daily basis, testing websites and that. I will not divert you in this area. As an additional, you can just I will provide you the link, but I will not recommend right now to go. Later you can integrate DevOps with DevSecOps. That thing I will go. Recommend. Right now, don't go. Just for the information purpose, like I'm sending you. That's it. Okay. Here, okay, one website I'm looking for. I don't remember the name. The person have created very step by step all the tutorials and that thing. So I will provide you later on what is the architecture type design and that thing. Let me search. I'm not recalling the name, but still you can go through with this all this. Okay, so that's all. Anything, any question, query is there? Do let me know. Yeah, this notepad file I will send you. All this, this one. Copy. Don't worry, just follow with the notepad file. That will be easy. Don't worry with one more extra tool name you have to remember. It will what lots of things to remember, like lots of things is there. I have lots of tool names. Mhm. Yeah, this is the free tool. Let me show you. Then if you want to manage everything, then you can use it. Even it have the paid version also, but for a single person it is free, so that you can use like one workspace. There you can maintain all the what to do queries and everything. You can also synchronize on your mobile app or in your system also. Like this is also already available in Microsoft Quick Note if you are using. Okay, so Quick Note. Mhm. Yeah, they maybe ask about Trello. This is the one we have. These are the project management tools. Trello is also the same thing. There we can organize like something to do like something like that. Okay, so that is the part. Apart from that, we in my company we use Jenkins, Atlassian. So this is a DevOps integration tool for the management part and that thing. So this tool we use my organization. Now this is the backcode. Let me show you UI version. Is available. So these are the management tools like automation techniques and that thing. So yeah, these are the tracking part in progress. These are the things, role edit policies we do. So let me just go with the official site. This is the part. So it have Agile and DevOps, work management, IT service. So there you can see we have Jira work management. So this is the thing we use. Creating the, what are the tasks we have to do? It will be in the progress to-do list or in the subtask, and what kind of priority we have to set, like low priority, high priority, that thing. So this is a dashboard is created. Now you will get a board or summary if you want to go through that thing. We can this is how we do. Okay, after that you can provide the review, share to some teammate. That thing we do. This is the whole thing. Like it's for the marketing, human resource, operation, design, finance, legal, everything. This is how the dashboard will look in the. So this is integrating. The background is working on Jira. Okay, Jira software we are using in the background because Jira is used for the ticket and issue handling part. Correct, to maintain. So that's the thing. So this is the GUI that Atlantia is a one company have integrated in their own product. Okay, and this is how it look like at the summary part, like how much task is done, what are the updates we have done in the next week and 3 day due. This is the same. So that's the part of DevOps only. There we integrate and lots of tool is available. Like if you go with some templates, like we have some of the project management approach, and more, and lead tracking, sale pipeline is there, process control pipe. We have like different things in planning. This is also part of pipelining, but how this is ideal for which persons, this other thing. Okay, board and that other term. So this is also part of DevOps, but multiple tools are available. So this is which I have used. This is currently Notion, Notion. It's available free. We don't have to buy anything. You can ultimately. uh, This is enough for as a single person. Don't wait for the bill part. Like multiple tools are available. I can give 10 names as alternative. Okay, so that got confused. Okay, if you want to go through, check out it. Required or as a personal level, you can just try it for yourself to manage the things. That is also enough. Okay, so lots of thing is there. So it's still the starting, I can say. I have more things to do, but go with the initial approach and get a job. And in the job, then you can learn later one by one. That's the mentality we have to set right now. Get a job and then learn new things. Because every day when you search something on Google, you will get something new in terms of technology, in terms of new tool. It will be got hectic that what to learn and what to not learn. That's the thing. So we have to limitize right now to a specific part that these are the things I know. I can able to give the interview and get a job. Later I can integrate that thing. That's the positive attitude we have to pick for forward. Okay. So this is all. Any question is there from your side, both of you? Let me know. Okay, so yeah, I will upload the video recording. No, what else? Mhm. Yeah, you can go at any time, any link. All have the interview questions of different tool sets are available. So mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mhm. Nothing. Nothing you are doing wrong. Really, just go with your own pace. I have just given the guidance that these are the steps that we have to follow. These are the things we have to go. And let me the first day that we have discussed the pipeline tool, DevOps pipeline tool. Remember, that's the process that you can follow. I think, yeah. So let me just open. I think how that part. Like the first day that I know showcase you the pipeline. Only follow that pipeline as a step by step and the topics. So according to that, get an idea that these are the things we have to follow. These are the things we have completed, and these are the things we have to prepare for the future. So that will help you to go one by one part. I think I have provided on the WhatsApp. So that's are the things that you can go through to take out it. I think it's a lots of things. Okay, no problem is there. You remember the recording, you will get that particular mind map. That is steps you can follow. So according to that, you will be in the right path. That this is the thing we have covered. These are the things we need to cover. Okay. So that will be easy to follow and update these things. We have multiple different pipelines is also available like this thing, but it will got confused. Like lots of things is there. You can see. Even, yeah. Yes. That is. Yes. That just sent. Remembering the name. Let me. Yeah, I am the checking the same one. That where is the. This is the one. Getting on the WhatsApp. To follow this roadmap only, that's enough because here you will get a state that yes, I have started from the networking that is complete. Then I have started with the Git to learn about the commands. That thing we have done. Then we are jumping onto the Docker and particularly Kubernetes platform. Then after that, I will jump into the CI/CD and pipeline. That I already covered the GitHub, so we'll go with Jenkins. That is one part is enough. Then we will jump to the monitoring part, infrastructure as a code. So there we can go with Ansible or at the same time we can go with the Terraform. Then for the monitoring part, maybe I can cover one Prometheus or Nagios, any one two. That's it. Then further for log management, I can go with Elastic Stack or the Splunk will be good. And in the cloud, I already know AWS, so that is a good part. Yeah, that's it. So this one roadmap will give a little broader idea that this is the thing we have covered. This is the thing I need to go one by one. Else, if you go with my own content, you will got confused that today I have learned this thing, then I am jumping this part, then I am jumping on this. And at the time of working, you will get some new keyword, then you search some new content, so there will be some new thing you will get it. So the distraction will be always be there. Okay. So that thing we have to stop by this one roadmap. Of course, we have more roadmaps are available, but I got this one in a very good. I have go. So that's why I showcase that. Let's go with one roadmap. Stick with one roadmap. Okay. Yeah, that's how you can go to work on it for the upcoming time and prepare yourself for the interview. It's a large sector, or you can step by step. Too wide is still it's a small part. I will integrate here security. I will integrate here site system part, so it will go more broader area. Go step by step. Don't worry. Because you have to set your own, time limit, the time barrier. After 3 weeks or after 3 days, I will be completed GitHub at anyhow. I have to complete it AWS in 1 week at anyhow. That will be the timeline you have to set up as per your barrier. Then only you can reach to this level, to this particular part. Else you will got confused that I have learned this thing, what to do, not what not to do. That thing we have to set up to. And then all is matter is get a job. That is important. So job. Yeah. Or maybe you can change later on into the cloud platform, uh, infrastructure engineer, or support engineer, or you can go security or any other roadmap also. It's a part because we have to push our family, so we require a job. That is the main. Mhm. System engineer actually they work on the part of handling the hardware resources, handling the infrastructure part, like how the server is set up, what other thing is not properly done. So the troubleshooting, backup, disaster recovery, this kind of things, job roles they do as a system engineer. Like it's a small part of infrastructure platform. That thing. Yeah, that is the thing. Linux, the server part, hosting is there, management, backup, monitoring is there, continuous monitoring system, all the resources we have to manage. That are the part we have to do. It's a part of admin, you can say administration, but the same thing we have to do. Yeah, here, yeah. Like if you go in a DevOps, I have I given that link. Remember the DevOps one, that girl channel. So yeah. So yeah, yeah, Nana. So here he, she explained with more for latest video. She explain like what are the roadmaps that people come from the which background they can come. So they can maybe come from system administrator, maybe they can coming from software developer, maybe they are coming from testing, automation engineering, and network engineering, or no IT background. So that is the latest video she uploaded. How you will get into the DevOps part, like the part, and even if you want to go with the roadmap by her recommendation, also that thing. So that will give a little motivation about the things like concepts what you have to cover, operating system and Linux basic, and container, CI/CD pipeline approach, then provides the infrastructure part on cloud and Kubernetes, then monitoring part, then infrastructure as a code, which is automation and coding part, scripting and version part. That's how a different pipeline. So she has work in this area. Okay, so there maybe she is coming from the system administration background. Okay, but we are coming from the no IT background. So how we can start? Okay, this is the one channel I have provided. Maybe we have more things on YouTube is available, but like I like the in the way she explained. That's why I recommend the channel. Maybe when you are visiting some more channels, you will get some more other person who have explained something better. So that's why the clarity you will get it more that we are in the right path or not. That's the thing. So yeah, so that is the thing because we have lots of free resources are available. We don't have to invest more money. Already we have investment in the training part. So now it's the time to get a guidance and move on further. Okay, so that will help you to get more. I can recommend more channels. There is no issue is there, but then it will got kind of juggling. It's kind of mixing everything, and you are not aware of like should I want to proceed or I got confused. Even this is also a good person like DevOps directive. So he is also an explain very good DevOps part. But like they are industry people to go. Or we have this one we go with the online code lab is there. They are providing online labs, online tutorials, and online lab practical setup. So they are the startups now. They are integrating in the very good platform. So like it's unlimited. Only the thing is that we have to stick at one point, and then we have to go through. This is dedicated for container trainings platform. like they have. If you go with the learning path, they have the DevOps Docker and that thing. Very precisely, they have everything, and everything is available with the online lab, like what we call as a playground, which is actually not covered in the your training part. I can assure, because this is for the lab scenario and the project based training part. So every tool, how to integrate, how to use, that thing is not given. But these are the paid thing right now. We don't have to invest right now. Already we have some free resources are available online. Prepare, learn little bit practical, and then get a job, and then you can move to some paid training later on. That's the main motive will be there. Correct. That's the thing. It's like unlimited. I can go for more resources, but I have to limit myself only, not get to show you more resource. Okay. Yeah, there you can go right now for this much. Yeah. Or you want more things. I think you both are stuck on the GitHub assignment. I share. I have more assignment to you. If you got worried and busy in the assignment part to do. Like I have more assignment to do, but let's leave it. Just go prepare interview and try to get a job first. Later we can do practicals after that also. Okay, that's the thing. Yeah. So this is all for my side, and video I will upload it today only. Yeah, yesterday when I have uploaded. Any video tutorial if you want, let me know. Let me share it. This is one more option is with class note. Somebody has shared me with the DevOps tutorial. So if you want to go through, you can have the record. Like this link. Yeah, I can provide more. It can take 1 year also to get the whole stuff to complete. Okay. So these are the things you can. No problem. Let me just stop here. They will just day by day. Okay, I will upload the video and provide.